Hello guys, welcome to another video. This video we are going to change battery in this Audi key. And yeah, it's a key fob, something like that. Well, it's a key for an Audi B8. So, year model from 2008 up to 12 I think, maybe later. But yeah, how to change battery in Audi key fob. So everything we need to do is to press this button here and remove the actual key, and then you press a button over here and you can pull it out and voila, you have your battery here. And remove the old one and replace it with a new fresh battery, and do it everything from the beginning again. So press it in and press the key in, and now you have a key that works again. And if you found this video interesting or helpful, press a like, and I will come up with more battery changes in car keys, not key cars, car keys. And yeah, press the subscribe button, press a like, and leave a comment. Have a nice one.